Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm back with a very simple painting. We're going to be painting wilting sunflowers. So I've painted dried sunflowers probably like a couple of videos back. I'm actually really like that Dead Flower series, but today I've decided to kind of revisit it, but they're not completely dead, so they're just like wilting sunflowers, just to kind of like make it different a little. So I've sketched it out already, and I want most of the sunflowers to point downwards, and I'm going to start by painting the sunflower head. So the colors that I'm using are purple mixed with blue and burnt sienna, and in the middle of it I'm going to just mix in with a little bit of orange yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go part by part. So I'm going to start with the sunflower head, and then once it is all done, I'm going to move to the petals next. Oh wait, sorry, before we go on to the petals, we're going to paint the stem, and I want to paint the stem in dark brown, and I'm going to mix it with just a little bit of olive green. As we get to the bottom of the stem, I want to make it look a little bit thicker, so it kind of looks like we're staring like from the bottom looking upwards. Olive green is now one of my favorite colors to throw into the mix to get like a more natural green hue. And once we're finished drawing all the stems, I want to add a little bit of light green highlights on just a little bit on like the thicker stems. Next, we're going to move on to the sunflower petals, and the colors that I'm using are purple mixed with brown, pink, portrait tone, and also orange yellow. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from the darkest color first. We're going to start with purple, and then we're going to blend it with a little bit of brown and portrait tone, and then just a little bit of pink, and at the tip of it we're going to mix pink with orange yellow. So the petals were actually one of my favorite parts to paint. I kind of like how the color turned out. It looks brownish, but it's not exactly like brown as well. You can see little shades of pink, little shades of orange peeking through, and I kind of like how that turned out. So we're going to continue to use the same colors for the rest of the sunflowers. So this is actually quite easy to paint. I think the most important part is sketching it out, because once you've sketched it out, then when you just fill in all these other spaces, it's pretty much just like coloring. And also the brush that I'm using is a fine tip brush. I think this is size 00 if not mistaken, so you can kind of really get into the small details of the petal, and when you blend it, it's basically just handling the paintbrush like a color pencil. You could add more sunflowers and more leaves to make it more dense and compact. I think that will actually look a lot nicer, but I also want to keep this painting a little bit simple and short for the sketchbook series, and then for the bigger pieces, then that's when I'll do like a more detailed and larger scale piece. So for the leaves, I actually want them to be a bit more bright and colorful, so you have this contrast with this very dead looking sunflowers, but also these leaves that are quite well alive. So on the outside part, like on the outer part, on the left and right leaves, I'm going to paint them in light green and dark green. So I usually like to mix 2 colors per leaf, so it gives the leaves a little bit more like variety. And in the middle part of this, I want to paint the leaves in purple and blue. So light green and dark green leaves on the outside, and blue and purple leaves in the middle. And on the top part, I want to paint them in an even lighter shade of green, so it kind of looks like from light to dark, top to bottom. And in the middle of the leaves, I draw a bit of lines to just give it a bit of detail, and just to kind of like add a bit more variety, I use light colors for some and a darker color for the others. In hindsight, now that it's completed, I should have added a bit more leaves, and maybe like a few more flowers, like I said, to make it look a bit more dense, and then I think that this painting would have looked a lot better, to be honest. Once that is done, I paint the background in turquoise, which is usually quite a safe color for just like a background neutral color that doesn't kind of clash with these set of colors. Anyway, it is finished, and I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.